In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of your Apple ID being grayed out on your iPhone. This problem can be frustrating as it prevents you from accessing or making any changes to your Apple ID settings. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve this. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. What you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under the Allow Changes section, tap Account Changes. Enter your screen time passcode to access this. If you have set this to Don't Allow, that's what's causing the issue. So to fix that, simply tap and select Allow. Now if I go back to the main settings page, I can access the Apple ID and make any changes I want. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.